class science, man, the living machine. Already we will discuss, children, the man living machine. Okay, today we will discuss subtopic sense organs. Our sense organs. Our sense organs. Okay, how many sense organs are there, children? 5 sense organs. First one, eyes. First one, eyes. Yes, eyes. Second one, ears. Second one, ears. Second one, ears. Third one, nose. Third one, nose. Third one, nose. Fourth one, tongue. Fourth one, tongue. Tongue. Fifth one, skin. Fifth one, skin. You can see the microscope skin like this. Okay, skin. Okay. Eyes. Eyes helps us to see. Ears. Ears helps us to hear. Nose. Nose helps us to smell. Tongue. Tongue helps us to tasty. Skin. Skin helps us to feel temperature. Pain. Pressure. Okay, once again repeat you our sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Eyes helps us to see, ears helps us to hear, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to tasty, skin helps us to feel temperature, pain and pressure. Okay, these 5 sense organs. Skin helps us to touch also. Okay, these 5 sense, all these sense organs are connected to the brain through the nerves. These sense organs are connected to the brain through nerves. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These 5 sense organs are connected to the brain through the nerves. These sense organs are send message to brain. These sense organs are send message to brain. The brain makes us understand pictures. The brain make understand pictures, sounds, pictures, sounds, smell, taste, feelings. While our sense organs helps know our surroundings. Our sense organs helps our surroundings. The organ system inside our body, you know, the organ system. How to form an organ system? First cells after tissues after organ, tissues made join together to form a organ system. Okay, the organ system inside our body carry our different functions. The organ system inside of the body carry different functions. Carry different functions. These organ system are like the member of team. So many teams are there. The organ system are like the members of team. Each one has own function. Each one organs have own function. Can you understand, children? These are the sense organs. Once again I repeat you: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Eyes helps us to see, ears helps us to hear, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to taste, and skin helps us to feel temperature, pain, pressure and touch. Okay, and these sense organs are connected to the brain through the nerves. Sense organs are send message to the brain. The brain makes us understand pictures, sounds, smell, taste, feelings, while our sense organs helps us know our surroundings. The organ system inside our body carry our different functions. These organ system are like a member of teams. Each organs are its own function. Each organs are its own function. Can you understand, children? These are our sense organs. You also write these like eyes. You can draw eyes picture. You can write that eyes working, how to help to us. Okay. Ear picture helps us to hear. Nose picture helps us to smell. Tongue picture helps us to taste. Skin picture, it helps us to feel temperature, pain, pressure, touch. You can write these like this and send my WhatsApp number. Okay, children, can you understand, children, sense organs part? Very good, nice. Okay, thank you.